What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I told you I'll be back uploading, so here we are, second video, same week, let's go. So since I've owned this car, I've had a VXR badge sat in the glove box the whole time, and I've always wanted to stick it to my front grille. So what we're going to do today is try Gorilla Glue, and hopefully that works. So let's have a look. Oh, 1 second. So yeah, I want to stick it here. I really like the look of it being on. I've seen people stick it on here. I don't really like that. I've seen people stick it down here. I don't like that. But we're definitely going to go with here because I think that's where it looks best. So I'm going to shoot off to Asda and then I'll be back with some Gorilla Glue. I'm back. Got the Gorilla Glue. Apparently it sets in 10 seconds, which kind of pressures me to get it straight first time. But we can only hope for the best. So let's go give this a go. I'm not sure how well I'm going to be able to record this, but if I glue down that part of the V, down the start of the R, and just in the middle of the X, that should get it in a good position there, and hopefully I can put it on straight. So let's give it a go. It's the bit where it says it sets in 10 seconds. That's what worries me. Okay, so I've done that. I'll put it down. And then, 1 second. Alright. Oh, not there. There. Oh, I don't know how well I did recording or how well this is going to stick on. I just pray it works. I've got a bit of glue drip. Hopefully I can get that off. I've got glue on my thumb. Please, like, just work. Is that even straight? That's not even straight, is it? Oh, it's not stuck down yet. That was quite easy to move. Sets in 10 seconds. I disagree. Seriously do disagree with that. Just applying pressure, hoping that that works. Oh yeah, update on the pinstripe. The front one fell off. I think I pulled it too tight around them bends there. Because just in the middle was just dangling. Like the bits on the side were stuck on pretty well. The back one's still on though. I just haven't put the front one back on yet. Or tried again. I don't know. I'll probably will at some point. So I've just spent like the last 2 minutes holding this. Apparently it sets in 10 seconds. But I'm scared if I let go it'll fall and I get Gorilla Glue on my paint. It might even be the case my fingers are stuck to the badge. Let's hope not. Please. Just work. Alright. 3. I think it's stuck to the badge. 2. 1. Okay. It's on there. How well it's on there, I don't know. How long it's going to stay on there, I don't know. If you wonder why I'm wobbling the camera, I'm trying to put the lid back on the glue. Alright. So let's take a step back and have a look. I'm happy with that. I do like the look of that. People look in their rear view, they know it's a VXR behind them now. Even though it's written the wrong way on camera. But yeah. That looks good. I just really hope it stays there. I don't want to get home and it's gone and I've lost the VXR badge. Some lucky person in the street just finds it, picks it up, takes it home, puts it on their VXR, update, I checked a couple of minutes later to see if it was secure. It fell off in my hand. There's now glue marks all over my grill. We'll try again and then I'll let you know how it goes this time. Okay, so this is pretty weird. I was messing about cleaning the area and I was lining it up again. I was pushing it on and pushing it on. And then I started picking the glue off my fingers and it's stuck. And it's on there pretty well now. So hopefully it stays like that now. But I'm gonna have to cut this video short now because apparently there's boy racers in the area causing a nuisance and I've been told I need to leave the area. But if you look at the road, tell me where you see boy racers. I don't know, but yeah, we did it. We've got the VXR badge on the front. I'm happy with it. It looks good. Distance, yeah. So, thanks for watching. I'll be making another video again soon. Please leave a like, subscribe, and peace.